This trail it is a small linear route which starts at the Gorreana Tea Factory. It begins in an area where the Camellia sinensis tea is grown, enabling you a contact with a unique European landscape. The following path will continue alongside the irrigation channel, which carries the water from the Gorreana stream to the hydroelectric power plant. This trail ends at the fresh Cedrera waterfall. This is easy route. It takes an average of 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete the round trip, with plenty time to take photos. This trail is great for hiking, and it's unlikely you'll encounter many other people while exploring. The trail is open year-round and is beautiful to visit anytime. Now is time to return in the same path and explore the tea plantation and its factory. In the end of this hike, you will have the chance to visit the Gorreana Tea Factory and Museum. It is possible to see all the original machinery in operation since 1840, showing the entire tea production process until its commercialization. At the end of the tour, you will be able to try and purchase various products, such as teas, sweets and liqueurs. It is worth mentioning that the visit is free. Since 1883, this delicious tea has been produced on this beautiful island, maintaining the original traditions of the East, as well as the ancestral qualities of 5 Azorian family generations. The Gorreana Plantation currently covers an area of 32 hectares, producing approximately 33 tons of tea per year, in black and green options. The humid climate and clayey soil of the region favor the cultivation of the plant that gives rise to tea, the Camellia sinensis. Thanks to the island's climate, there is no need to use herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, dyes, or preservatives in its process, as it is a 100% organic product. Harvest takes place between April and September. The main focus of Gorreana's production is the international market, being exported to several countries that appreciate the quality of the product.